Hi guys, here's this little pencast promised by me. So we're talking about page 326, and it's question 35, and we're talking chapter 14. So I have to make an assumption. I have to make sure that the premium is going to be $500 per annum. Alright, and I'm going to say this is going to be the probability of no accident, and this is going to be the probability of an accident, and of course it's exhaustive, isn't it? So the sum of those two probabilities must equal 1. Alright, now just a detail thing. So the cost of the accident is going to be $5,000 more than the premium. So what I'm going to do, there's the $5,000, there's the premium, and what we're saying is the cost of the accident is $5,500. We'll take off the $500 premium, and so the net cost to the insurance company is going to be $5,000. It's okay, that's pretty self-explanatory. So what we can do now is go and write our statement. So it's going to be 500 times the probability of no accident, plus it's going to be the minus $5,000 times the probability of an accident, and that's going to equal 0. Yeah, that's pretty good. Now what we've got here is that we've got two unknowns, only one equation. One unknown, another unknown, and only one equation. What are we going to do? Well, why don't we express one in terms of the other? How do you mean? Well, why don't we say that, we can just come up here, can't we? We can use this expression. So if I bring this down here, what have we got here? We're going to say that PA equals 1 minus P no accident. That's pretty good. So we can do a substitution thing, can't we? Now what I'm going to try and do is I'm just going to try and shrink the screen down a bit if I can. And I can't do it. Don't know how it's done. Right, so what I'm going to do is I'm just going to turn the page now, and I'm going to rewrite that expression because I need a bit more space. Right, so what we've got here is that okay, and what we've got here is I can just get rid of that plus sign, can I? And I'll just go in here and put a minus sign, minus 5,000. Probability of an accident. But we can rewrite all of this. Alright, and what I can do is I can distribute this term here out over that term and out over that term. So let's just go and do it. So that. Okay, and so it'll be plus. Yeah, aren't we doing good? Because we've got one variable and one equation. The whole thing is solvable. Alright, so what am I going to do is I'm going to group like terms together. So I'm going to group those two terms that are similar and add them together. So that'll be that no accident minus 5,000, which equals 0. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take the 5,000 over to the other side. So when I do that, what we're left with is 5,000. I can solve for no accident. Oh, this is great. Very satisfying doing this. And so what we've got here is 0.9090. Alright, didn't we do well? Okay, so let's just turn the page. P no accident is equal to 0.9090. So So there the probability of an accident is going to be 1 minus 0.9090, and that's going to equal 0.091. Okay, so just know that that plus that, of course, will equal 1. So have we got the answer that we desire to confirm that is to actually do the substitution and find out whether the equation does in fact equal 0. So let's just go and do that. So it'll be 500 times the probability of no accident, which is going to be 0.9090 minus 5,000 times the probability of an accident, which is what we got here. That's going to be 0.091. Remember that's a 1 up here. Alright, and so when I put the values into my calculator, I get here 45.4.5. I'll round that up to 45.5. Okay, and when I do this term, I get 45.5, and it's a negative. And so what we do is we've got 0. Didn't we do well? So what does it all mean? Well, what I want you to see is that if the probability for an accident is going up, so what I'm doing is I'm talking about that probability, then it means that the insurance company is going to lose. Okay, so if the probability of an accident is going up, it means that the insurance company is going to lose, which means that you are going to gain. If it goes the other way, if the probability of an accident goes down, it means that the insurance company is going to gain and you are going to lose. So what you could say, if you're a smart insurance company, I would be promoting more careful driving. Are they doing this? Well, I don't know. I'd hope to think that they may be funding partially or fully the road advertising campaigns that appear on television from time to time. So yeah, I hope you followed all the workings, but it's a fairly satisfying example for me, because this is a superior answer to the one that you would find in the answers to the textbook, and I did it without even looking at the answers. So yeah, just hope you appreciate the effort that I've gone to. Okay, catch you later.